Okay, this is a basic Connex 3300HP checkout. Just a simple tune-up. Over here we see in high power, 10 watt dead key. Low power, just under 2. Over here, audio, check. Just over 40. Audio, check. That's low power there, 1, 2, 3, 4. On the scope. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Audio, check. And low power, 1, 2, 3, 4. Check. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright. See what it sounds like. Audio, check. 1, 2, 3, 4.